In this video, I'll show you how you can charge your PlayStation Portal. Now, all you have to do is locate the charging port on this device, and the charging port is located behind the PlayStation Portal, as you can see. So it is right here. This is the charging port, okay? And it needs a USB Type-C cable. Now, once you have located the charging port, simply grab any USB Type-C cable that you have. As you can see, like this particular USB Type-C cable, and then connect one end to a power source. So the power source can be your power outlet, it can be your laptop, or it can also be your power bank, okay? So connect one end of this to a power source, of the cable, sorry, to a power source, and then connect the other end behind the PlayStation Portal, or rather, the charging port for the PlayStation Portal. Now, once it's connected, you can now see the PlayStation Portal is charging. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.